Hey guys, have some handcuffs, and this video, how to break out of 378 handcuffs. These handcuffs are pretty strong. I'll show you. Hold on, just a minute. But this individual does seem to be the source of all of the heat at polar peak, which is making people believe. Do you see those? Oops. And I'll show you what thing we're gonna break out with them. So hold on. I'm just gonna get my backpack. Okay. You see? Hold on. You see this thing right here? We'll take this off, then get a pocket knife and cut that. Then like bend this, and then this is what it. Now this is what it looks like. Hey, there. See this thing right here? And I'll show you. So, here, I'm going to put it on my hand. Set the camera right there, Ben. Just put it on my hand. Ah, it hurt. I really don't know what kind of powers this Viking is going to have. And is he a good guy or a bad guy? Is he going to save the world of Fortnite and defeat the Ice King? Or is he going to just make it worse? We don't currently know. But what we do know my old videos were so cringy. He's missing and nobody knows where he is. Okay. Handcuffs. Right around the corner. These. And everybody is looking for clues right in the game right now. This is where they can find where the Viking has gone. See that hole? Then push these over to the side like that. Haha. And then this will be much clearer. Okay. Okay, so, and then we put this one on this side. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This looks like this could be a problem. This is a real problem. Do we call somebody? What do we do here? Come on. This is not okay. We can do this. This is not a good thing that's happening right here. I don't think. Houston, we got a problem. Somebody call Houston. There, guy. Bye.